To get to Abu Simbel from Aswan, most people fly. It is a 700 to 800 mile drive across the desert, should you choose not to actually fly. When you do arrive on site, you cannot see the temples. All you see are these big rocks and a long path, and you just keep walking towards them. Then suddenly you get a glimpse of the temple that has been carved into the rock. It is very exciting the very first glance. It was a very hot day, and due to our flight being delayed, by the time we arrived, most people had already left. So it was just our few people who were there to view the temples, and it was so nice having the whole place to ourselves. It's great for photography when you don't have to dodge so many people. The two temples were built by Ramses II. He reigned from 1279 to 1300 BC. It is amazing how old these are, the amount of detail that still exists. Enjoy the photos. The temples were amazing. The detail, phenomenal. Decoration on top of decoration on top of decoration. I could have stayed here all day, but it was time to go.